Hi, this is Erin O'Hara and this is a math quiz assignment. So here's my Visual Studio and this is the form that I created following the tutorial, and then I made some changes to the layout of the elements, and then I changed some colors. I removed the border of this form, changed colors of the text, the button, added this image as a logo for my math quiz. So I'm gonna start, and here I can see the today's date, and this form right here gonna show me how much time I have left once I start the quiz. So here I'm starting it, and I see the time running out. So I can use the key, tab key, so I can move from one assignment to another. D4, and then this is 4. Okay, and so it tells me that I got all the answers right, and then shows me how much time left I have. And if I would run out of time, it would show me in this pop-up window that I ran out of time, and it will automatically cancel the quiz. So this is pretty much it for this assignment. Thank you very much.